Hello everyone, let's start by introducing myself, who I am. My name is Thomas Polito, I'm 40 years old, I'm born in Morocco and I'm living in UK exactly, in London City. I got a doctorate in economics in France, exactly in École d'Économie de Paris, PSA. I work with Bank of America and HCBC and with hedge funds like Braven Howard Hedge Funds London, Man Investment, BlackRock, and I work as a broker with FX Pro. And now I'm trading with my own funds. I'm living from trading as a job. And I'm going to teach you what is it forex trading for beginners guide till you're going to be a professional. Believe me, if you follow my course, you're going to be a professional trader. Because the tips I'm going to give you, no one can give it to you. And believe me when I told you I'm a professional trader. See you soon.